assemble the base have two methods. One is automatically assembly by the machine, and one is by the hand. Assemble the base by the machine. We also need by the hand to press the wire. And the wire like this will easy to up and fall. And when the machine assembles the base like this, we don't know the wire and the base is touch wire or not. So we recommend assemble the base by hand. When we press the wire at this item, we assemble the base by hand. So like this, the qualified rate will reach about 100%. Like the Philips lighting in China, they also use this method, assemble the base by hand, because they have the high requirements of the quality, and we also have many experience in the lighting production, because we have produced the finished lamp to our customers. We also use this method to assemble the base by hand.